Drugstore foundation routine. We're gonna go in with primer. I'm using the Milani SPF BFF primer. This primer is literally the bomb.com. Like, this gets the job done. It goes on like a lotion texture, like it goes on nice under any makeup. Like, I literally just reach for this every time. It's good for the winter, especially how it's cold. And now we're gonna go in with the color corrector from LA Girl. This don't lead me wrong. For some reason my dark marks get a little bit darker during the winter time, so I normally color correct on my foundation routine. Just give me like a more full coverage base, and my dark marks don't peek through my foundation routine. So I normally blend it in with my finger because I find that that's easier to blend. And now we're gonna go in with foundation. For foundation, I always go in with the NYX Total Drop Control foundation. This is literally my go-to foundation. I haven't found any other foundation that matches this foundation in the drugstore realm as yet. I'm open to suggestions if you have any. So this gives me like a much more full coverage base. It blends seamlessly under my skin. Like, look how that is blending into my skin. And I on purposely didn't speed up this video just so y'all can see how this foundation blends into my skin. Like, I love it. Now that we're nicely blended, we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. Camel Concealer. I love this concealer. This is a 16-hour wear concealer. Very full coverage, however, this does dry down very fast. To blend this concealer out, I normally go from bottom and then I work my way up. I feel that way is just much more easier for me, and I just want y'all to see how this is blending like so seamlessly. Like, the finish on this is chef kiss. Okay, when I say full coverage, I'm talking full coverage, no creases, very creamy, very radiant, good for any weather. Like, this has been my go-to drugstore concealer. And I just want to give y'all a tip for when you're blending. It's always good to make nice soft motions. Like, as I'm blending, I'm not pressing hard at all. I notice when you blend softer, the blend and the concealer just comes out more better. So always blend in nice soft tapping motions. See that finish? Chef kiss. Okay, I love it. Now we're gonna go in with setting powder. For setting powder, I go in with the Coty Aspen setting powder. Now my setting powder routine has switched up just a little bit. First, I'm gonna just apply that on everywhere that we applied concealer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and reapply it and bake. And I'm just gonna bake for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes tops. So this is just me reapplying it just to bake. Okay, I've already applied everything, so now I'm going to dust that powder off. And I dust and use pressing motions at the same time. And I just feel like this gives me such a flawless base. Like, I can't even lie. Now we're gonna go in with finishing powder. So I'm going in with the Black Radiance Contour Palette Sculpt Shade, and I'm just applying that under my eyes, basically everywhere that I highlight, just to set that in place. Like, I love powder, and I notice like when I do this routine, like, I don't get no creases, I don't get nothing. So now we're gonna contour with that same palette, and I love this palette for contouring. Like, this just gives me the perfect contour. Like, look how that's blending into my skin. This is so smooth and radiant. If you don't know about Black Radiance, this is literally one of the top palettes for drugstore contour, okay? I just want to show appreciation to my base. Like, look how good my base is coming along. Like, oh my god. And don't forget your neck, okay? Now we're gonna go in with the Coty Airspun setting powder, and we're gonna contour. Well, not contour, we're gonna highlight under our contour. And this is just to give us a nice little shade. And you can't forget your nose. Like, I love a good contour nose. Basically, all I do is go along my bridge and then go in my crease, you know, just to bring everything together. I feel like that gives me the perfect contour. So defines my crease. Like, I love a good defined crease. I'm obsessed with browns, literally. So now we're gonna go in with mascara. For mascara, I use the Essence Lash Princess mascara. This is one of my go-to mascara. This makes me look like I have on lashes. But my finest mascara, I don't even put on lashes. That's how serious it is. If you want volume on your lashes, get this mascara, okay? The BAHAMAS.com. I ain't gonna lie. Like, y'all could see how this put on with my lashes right now. Okay, so our mascara is applied. So now we're gonna take that brush and wipe off that contour, well, that powder under our contour. And that, I just want to see like how that defines your contour. Like, it gives you that nice what you want, you understand, like that line, you want to see the bridge gap. So now we're gonna go in with lip liner. I go in with the NYX lip pencil. Oh, I think it's an eyebrow pencil, but it's my favorite pencil, okay? And then we basically line our lips. This is in the color black brown. You all know this pencil is literally nil right now. And then we go in with the Milani liquid lipstick. This is in the color, I'm not sure, but I know it's red, and there'll be link in the description. Like, this is that bright red. And when I tell you all, matte goes on so flawlessly, lashes. And now for setting spray to bring this base together, we're going in with the Milani Make It Last Dewy Setting Spray. And this is just going to bring that look together. Now I just want y'all to see my finished look. Oh my god, talk about a good foundation routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.